Hello everyone. In this video I will explain this problem. So let's get started. So problem number 7. Write a program to ask the user to enter a number, then print the half of number. Example: if the user enters 60, the output should be 30. So let's do this program. First of all, we need to ask the user to enter a variable. Okay, I will do a function from type short. I will call it read number. I will define the variable from type short again and name it number. Now do cout. Please enter a number. And after that I will write cin to read the value from the user, and finally I will return the value, and this function is done. The function of reading the number from the user is done. Now we need to do another function to get the output. The output is to take the number and then divide it by 2, okay, to get the half of number. I will do another function from type short, or do it in of type float is better, because the division maybe will give for sure will give something. Okay, 50% it would give a number with a percentage, or a float number, result, because we have here the division operation. So let's complete get half number. And then I need to do return number divided by 2, and here I need to I need here to put this. Okay, wait, I need this parameter. I will send a parameter later. I will put it now and I will fix this later. Okay, so I have the number from type short, that means from type integer, and here number divided by 2, and I need here to do casting from type integer, because number is a type integer, to a type float. I will do like that, float. Okay, good. Now I get the half number. I will do another function called print results. To print the results of my these two functions. Okay, I will keep it now. I will do something. I will print in main function or print this. Okay, I read the number, it gets half number. Okay, I will do print results first. I will copy it here, and this one I put it inside this function. So read number inside print results, and I need this parameter to put it here. So the value that I will get from this read number will be stored in this variable here in the function of print result. Then I will see out the, okay, I need this double quotation, the half number, the half of, and I will do, I'll keep a space here, and okay, there is some way I can do it without using cout. I just will do return, and here I will change it to string, and here also I will do, and here I will do cout, because this function now is returning a value from type string, and I need to console out or see out this value as string or string of characters. Now return the half number of, plus I will do a concatenation here, concatenation. So okay, here I need to change this. Now I need to do the concatenation. Concatenation, I will use a function called toString, because I will I will casting from type short or integer to type string to do the concatenation with the other string. So toString string number plus toString number. You see here there is a problem. There is a problem because this function toString, okay, same problem. Maybe I need to include another library called string. Let's see now. Okay, the function is working now. Let's complete. So toString number, let's, in the output we'll see the half of number. This number is from type integer, and we do a casting, and after we do the casting using this function, we do the concatenation of this sentence here. We need to complete the sentence. I will do is, and here I will do another casting. Look at this tips here. I will teach you how to do a proper code. So let's do it. toString. Okay, look at this. I will get this function, all this function, and I will put it here. Okay, good. I need to remove this one. Good. toString, I do a casting to type string of this function. This function will return a value from type float, and I do casting from type float to string, and then I do a concatenation with this whole sentence. So the half of number is the half number, and I need to do semicolon. So here I need semicolon. Let's try to run this program. Please enter a number. I will enter 65. The half of 65 is 32.5. Okay, it's correct. Let's try another number. Let's try 60. Okay, the half of 60 is 30. Let's try 70. Let's try 70. Okay, the half of 70 is 35. Okay guys, this is my how I solve this problem of half number. See you in another problem, and peace.